Hey, this is Mr. Warden. Welcome to the Algebra Exit Ticket 29.3 video key for D block, and let's get to it. We want two factors of 19 that add up to 20. Okay, well, we can use our handy little X thing that we've been using before. So we want two factors of 19. So 19 is our product since we're looking for factors. And we want a sum of 20. Okay, well, 19 is just a prime number, so it's only got two factors, 1 and 19, and those will definitely add up to 20. Okay, and in fact, we could just say, we can go ahead and think about this. If this was x squared plus 20x plus 19, then these would actually be the factors of it. So x plus 1 times x plus 19. Okay, so our answer is, of course, 1 and 19. Those would add up to 20 and multiply to make 19. What do we get when we multiply x plus 1 times x plus 19? And there it is, x plus 1 times x plus 19. Well, let's work it out. It's going to be x squared, and then we're going to have a 19x, so plus 19x. Then we'll have a plus 1x, and then we'll have a plus 19. And we put the like terms together, we'll end up with not a 19x and a 1x, but a 20x. And that is our product. And those are our factors of that product. I'll just note that that equals x plus 1 times x plus 19. Now, what are the two linear factors? Oh, I've just written what they are. The two linear factors are these. X plus 1 times x plus 19. Those are the linear factors of x squared plus 20x plus 19. All right, now let's consider this one. What would the factors of x squared minus 100 be? Remember, you could always say that's x squared plus 0x minus 100. So let's make our x thingy. Okay, so there. And I'll put a multiplication dot because we want a negative 100 as our product. Now, you might already have noticed we probably don't need to do this because this is a difference of squares, and there's a quick way to deal with this. But if you can't see it, you can always do this. And of course, the two factors of negative 100 that add up to 0 are negative 10 and positive 10. Okay, and then the factors would end up being x plus 10 and its conjugate, x minus 10. Conjugates are these structures in mathematics where you have a sum and a difference of the same two things. Those are called conjugates. Okay, so our factors are going to be, of course, x plus 10 and x minus 10. Those are our linear binomials or our linear factors of x squared minus 100. Now, since it is a difference of squares structure, I just want to remind you that a squared minus b squared is going to equal a plus b times a minus b. And that would actually be a shortcut for this one. Just get the square root of x squared and the square root of 100. And you're going to add those two, x and 10 will be added, and then they will be subtracted, just like we just did. I hope that was helpful.